Google's affordable handset offers access to that great Google camera, but in a phone that's more affordable. It looks like there's going to be a Pixel 4a to appeal to those on a tighter budget, along with a punch-hole front camera, 3.5mm headphone socket and a single camera on the back. Rumors suggested a May launch, then a June launch. Now it's not expected until 13 July.
OnePlus looks like it's going to offer an affordable phone of its own, which might be called the OnePlus 8 Lite or OnePlus C. This phone might sit on MediaTek hardware and make a few compromises, but may well offer a more affordable entry point to OnePlus devices. It didn't launch with the OnePlus 8 models, so might appear in the middle of 2020.
iPhone 11 series launched and out of the way, the big question over 5G remains. Apple had said it wouldn't launch a 5G phone in 2019 and it didn't, but long before the iPhone 11 surfaced there were rumors about the 2020 iPhone, the iPhone 12. There's talk of a new square design, no notch, 5G and OLED displays for all three models. But is this just a fan wish list?
Rumors have started to swirl about an update to the Galaxy Z Flip. Firstly, we might see a 5G version, and that might appear in 2020 and see no other revisions to the phone. But we've also seen plans that suggest Samsung wants to add a third camera to this folding phone, which might appear on the Flip 2. That phone might not launch until sometime in 2021, but it's something to be anticipated.
Xiaomi has shown off a number of folding prototypes in the past, but now there's talk that the company is looking to source components from Samsung Display. It's believed that Xiaomi is interested in producing a folding phone similar to the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip. That would potentially provide a cheaper entry point to folding phones and add variety to this growing market.